We designed two roofs, and the one roof has vegetation on top, and the one roof is a metal on top. And behind the vegetation roof, we have the mountain. And nature is gradually going to the semi-nature, is this green roof, and the artifact. People can enjoy the gradation from pure natures to the artifact, probably that kind of gradation is not usual for architectural design. Usually architectural design is just create contrast, but we try to create the very subtle gradation from nature to the hard texture.